Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So today we are checking out this beautiful, spacious two-bedroom at Treasure Island on the east end of Panama City Beach. Heather, can we talk about location?
One of my favorite condos because you're right on the end of the east end. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, if you have a boat, then you have the marinas.
Yes.
You have the state park. And what I love about these balconies is the view. You can pretty much see all of the beach.
Right? All the way down Panama City Beach. It's phenomenal.
It's just absolutely unbelievable. They have a very lenient policy for pets. So if you are catering towards rental guests that have their little furry friends, that's going to be an extra advantage. The rental units do really well here.
Yes.
So depending on what you want to use it for, the sky's the limit.
Absolutely. I love that their amenities are right on the Gulf. You can look right down and see the pool, and it's right there. So you've got some activities that could be in or out of the water. And man, I think this is the closest condo to the actual water's edge.
And you're really close to Schooners, which is where all of us locals like to hang out as well.
Kind of a favorite.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go check it out.
Yes.
So we're checking out this very spacious two-bedroom unit over here at Treasure Island. As you walk in, you've got tile throughout, lots of natural light coming in for that beautiful balcony. To my right is an oversized laundry room, but what I love about these two bedrooms here is they're so spacious. You have plenty of room in the kitchen, lots of counter space, storage, plenty of room for a nice sized dining table, and you even have a little bunk area off the kitchen as well. Now, as you walk in to the living space, what you're gonna love about the living space, in addition to it being open concept and connecting with the kitchen just seamlessly, is you have this beautiful view of the Gulf from the balcony. Everyone loves the balconies over here at Treasure Island. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of this beautiful unit.
Thanks, Britt. Just as you were explaining all of the beautiful Gulf views from the living space, that is also mirrored here in the main ensuite. You've got this wall of glass and balcony access with the beautiful emerald waters of the Gulf of Mexico. But it doesn't stop there. You've got nice, expansive room, plenty of space for all of your furnishing needs, and this beautiful ensuite. You've got a tub, a standalone shower, your dual sinks, and a water closet, which I really like. This unit has 2 bedrooms, and this is the beautiful one on the Gulf. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you to find out all the finer details.
And don't go away. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.